6700 North 4th Street, McAllen, Texas. This is a brand new condominium or townhome located right behind the HEB on Trenton Road. So this is 6700 North 4th Street, McAllen, Texas. Just take a look at this. It's clean, it's beautiful, it's a new construction, and it's ready for you to move in, and it has everything that you could possibly want. It has a sparkling granite, it has a refrigerator, a stove, plenty of cabinets to store items, microwave, and let me show you. Right here is the sink. You have a spacious pantry. It's big. It goes all the way over there. And you have a half bathroom downstairs, which is, let me see, it's right there at the entrance. Okay, it has the blinds already. You don't have to do anything about that. If you have a pet, you have a small area for your pet. You have a 2-car garage parking. It's safe. You do have the remote water heater right there. This is the green area. Okay, if you have a pet, you see that over there, that will be a storage room with AC, and you see the sliding door. The sliding door connects to the outside, so you don't have to come through the garage. That is amazing. It has a three bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. I'm gonna show you upstairs right now. So as soon as you come in with your groceries, you just drop them off here at the kitchen and you move on. How practical and simple that is. Stools for extra seating, kitchen stools. This is your breakfast nook area, and that will be your living room. This is the sliding door that connects to the outside and to the storage room, which is right there with air conditioning. Main entrance of the house. We have a half bathroom for guests. Take a look, everything ready to go. Laundromat is upstairs with the bedrooms. So this is a 2-story townhome with luxury vinyl planking flooring. As you can see, no carpets. King size bed fits here perfectly. This is the main bedroom. High ceiling fans. You have a blind already, and you have a desk area. Very spacious main bathroom. You have granite countertops, double sink, plenty of storage. A big, ladies, big closet. Take a look at this. Plenty of space, walk-in closet. And then your toilet right here. And then you have tile shower in perfect condition. Outside window for extra lighting. I mean, plenty of natural light. Laundromat right here. Washer and dryer. If you need them, we can accommodate and bring you a washer and dryer if that's what you're looking for. Bedrooms 1 and 2, so there will be 3 bedrooms. Perfect space. High ceiling fan, window, and take a look at these secondary closets. Okay, they're walk-in closets. You see? Perfect space. TV connections included. This is bedroom number 3, high ceiling, window with this blind, and then we have another walk-in closet. Literally, you can get inside of the closet. Plenty of space. Let's recap. This is 6700 North 4th Street, McAllen, Texas, right behind the HEB on Trenton. This is a townhome, brand new construction, ready for you to move in. New price, $1,650, and a new deposit, $875. They do accept pets, so give us a call as soon as you can. This is Sosa-Heredia with Momentum Realty, and I cannot wait to talk to you soon. Call us to view the property.